Kanakpura road 23. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Another day, another adventure. So today we are going to some place near Kanakpura, where we'll be able to shoot some amazing bird photos. So yeah, only me and Gaurish are going to the ride. So let's see how it goes, and stay tuned and watch the complete video to see what all the things we did today. ಸರ್, ಇದು ಏನೋ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ. ವಾಕಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ. So guys, we just entered the forest. We are walking and going inside the forest, hoping to see some beautiful birds, and I'll be showing it to you if I find any amazing birds. Where so yeah, the GoPro is on top of my camera, and we are walking. So this is a private road. You can't bring your bikes and bash into the forest just like that. You need to register and get a permission. After that only you will get permission to go inside the forest. So yeah, we'll see what all the things we'll get to experience and find and shoot. So it's so calm, peace over here. I got a few amazing footage from here. Since I'm having tripod, it's really a very good thing to have a tripod, because I was able to shoot a lot of beautiful birds in the morning, which you will be seeing right now. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Srinidhiraj's photography to check out all these photos which I capture, or I'll put a link in the description so that you can download the image and watch it in HD. So yeah, we'll quickly move and try to capture some more footage for you, as well as take some photos. It's really nice environment over here. You should if you are an amateur photographer, or you just entered the photography and you are trying to shoot something, but you are not able to find subjects, you can come over here and have a great time. But this place is not for the normal people. Only the photographers are allowed. So make sure you bring your cameras when you come over here. So yeah, we'll go in the front and see what we'll get. ಹುಲಿ ಸಿಂಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
Kita makan.
So yeah, had an awesome day over here. As you have seen, we could able to see a lot of beautiful things around. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every Monday at 6 p.m. And that's it for today. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.